Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I have a wonderful key of skincare for you. But it is good for more than just your skin. It has many additional benefits. It is an ancient tradition. However, it may have looked different across various cultures. I'm talking about dry brushing. The concept is as simple as the name. You take a dry brush and you use it on dry skin. Just like anything else though, there is a correct and an incorrect way of using it. It is very simple, so once you have listened to this short video, all that is left for you is to choose the right kind of brush for your skin type, and that's that. There is nothing complicated about it. Let me start by sharing a few benefits of dry brushing with you. First and foremost, exfoliation. Dry brushing exfoliates the skin. The bristles of the brush help sweep away dull, rough, flaky skin cells. After a dry brushing session, your skin will feel softer, smoother, and over time, it takes on a more youthful appearance. It also increases circulation. The brisk brushing stimulates the circulation. This leaves skin looking more radiant and youthful. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to working cells throughout the body, including the skin. In addition to providing oxygen, blood flow also helps carry away waste products, including free radicals from working cells. This takes and keeps years off of you. It's very invigorating and energizing. People usually feel very energized after a dry brush session. Now let's talk about something that concerns many of us as we age, cellulite. Cellulite is a condition that mostly affects women. There is plenty of anecdotal evidence available to show that dry brushing can reduce the appearance of cellulite because it has similar effects on the body as massage. And we know massage has been shown to reduce the appearance of cellulite. So if you practice regular dry brushing along with other natural treatments to reduce cellulite, even if you're not able to get rid of it entirely, you will notice a significant difference in its appearance. For natural treatment of cellulite, check out my video on the topic. I have linked it here. But dry brushing's most important benefit is none of these. Its greatest benefit is for your lymphatic system. The lymphatic system helps your body fight off infections. Fluids flow through the system and are filtered through the lymph nodes. If you're sick or exposed to a lot of toxins, the system becomes overloaded. That is why your lymph nodes often become swollen when you have an infection. Dry brushing helps the body release toxins. The coarse bristles on the brush stimulate the pores and open them up. This makes it easier for the body to sweat, which in turn reduces the amount of toxins flowing through the lymphatic system. Our lymphatic system runs parallel to our veins. However, unlike our veins, the lymphatic system is not a closed system and has no central pump like the heart. Its movement is very much dependent on our physical movement. And let's face it, many of us don't move as much as we should. Using dry brushing helps move some of that fluid. However, it is dependent on the pressure you apply. Using it with a little bit of pressure, especially on areas where your lymph nodes are, may be beneficial. I will share with you how to choose the right kind of brush in a moment. First, let's talk about how to practice dry brushing. Because like anything else, there is a correct way of doing it. You should start at your feet and move up your body. Brush your skin using wide circular clockwise motions. So let's say if you're working on your arms, you will work on your lower arm in circular clockwise motions. Once you have completed a part of your body, use long strokes moving towards your heart. Use light pressure in areas where your skin is thin and harder pressure on thicker skin. You know your skin, don't irritate it. That's the bottom line. Brush your arms after you have brushed your feet, legs, and midsection. You should brush upward towards your heart. Except the back. Use downward movements on your back going towards your abdomen. You want to use long strokes going downwards. After dry brushing, take a cool shower to help remove the dry skin. And after you have showered, dry off and use a natural moisturizer. If you don't use a moisturizer, it might leave your skin feeling dry and in some cases irritated. When you first start dry brushing, it's best to begin with light brushing. As you get used to it, you can increase the pressure and get more harder, firmer bristled brush. Don't ever put so much pressure or use the kind of brush that it leaves your skin raw or leave marks on your skin. You want to help and nourish your skin, not irritate and hurt it. Avoid sensitive areas and anywhere the skin is broken. These include areas with rashes, wounds, cuts, infections, eczema. Also, never brush an area affected by poison oak, poison ivy, or psoriasis. Don't brush your face. Just don't. Your face is too sensitive for that. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what kind of brush to use. A brush with a long handle makes it easier to access hard to reach areas like the back, behind the shoulders, and the back of legs. But I find that it is harder to apply a firm pressure with a long handle. A smaller brush that fits nicely in the palm of your hand is easier to move, but makes it harder to access certain areas. So personally, I have found brushes with removable handles to be the best. Check out a few styles to see what suits you best. Many brushes are made of boar bristles. If you prefer to use natural fiber like me, make sure you read the label before making the purchase. There are a variety of natural plant fibers available. Start off with a softer brush and then you can go for stronger, rougher bristles later. I would recommend reading reviews of the product before you buy it. You may want to dry brush in the shower so you can easily clean the area once you are done. And like I suggested earlier, have a moisturizer on hand to avoid irritating the skin. Now, your brush does need maintenance, though a very simple one. Make sure you rinse your brush after you have completed your brushing routine. Dry it in an open, sunny area to prevent mildew. Clean your brush once a week using soap and water. You should also avoid sharing your brush with anyone. This can help prevent the risk of infections. Even though you will notice a refreshing change in your skin after just one use, continue it for at least 3 weeks, preferably daily or every other day, and you will be so pleased at the results you see. If nothing else, your skin will have a beautiful glow, and how can you go wrong with that? So guys, this is it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm also available for consultations to create a personalized plan for your specific needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.